The BMW Z3M. Now I was going to wait for this rain to clear out to have a good look round it, but I don't think this is stopping anytime soon. So we're going to get it inside the workshop where we can get a better look round it. So this is a 1999 reg with the S50 engine in it, which makes it an early late one, if you get what I mean. With these having the same engine in them as the E36 M3 Coupe, it definitely makes these a really overlooked car. I mean, they're supposed to be quicker than the M3 Coupe, and they're supposed to handle a lot better as well. But that isn't to say that when it comes to the body styling, they look half as nice. I mean, they got the nickname Clown Shoe for a reason, right? They are definitely a Marmite car. You either love them or you hate them. And can you believe that these cars are now 20 years old? I mean, they are starting to show their age, and that's exactly why this one is with us. Whilst this is with us, it's going to be undergoing a full bare metal repaint. And at a closer look, you can see why. Dent. What on earth is that? Faded paint. Nice. Right. You get the picture. And apparently every single panel on these unbolts. So I'm going to put that to the test. I'm going to see how quickly I can do it as well. And so it begins. I've just got the lock and wheel nut key out of the boot and it appears to be broken. I did try it in the lock and wheel nuts and it just keeps slipping out. There's no way I'm getting those off with this. So I'm now going to have to ring up BMW, see what the situation is with getting one of these. And it's just as well I didn't start stripping this out, because this might have to go back up to BMW to get another lock and wheel nut key. Okay, so I'm still trying to get my head around this. Lock and wheel nut key problem resolved. And weirdly, it was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. All I had to do was email a picture of the broken lock and wheel nut key over to BMW, and they matched it up their end. Now, would you believe that I got it the next day? And this was without any registration plates involved at all, or any logbooks. Not that I bloody care anyway, because I've got the lock and wheel nut key, and all I want to do is take the wheels off, so I'm just hoping that this fits. No? No? Oh, yeah, it fits. Oh! Right, so the time is now just gone 9:30, so I'm going to make a start on the front end. I'm going to get this bonnet off, bumper, headlights out. I'm going to work my way back, seeing how quickly we can get this apart. Now this is just something I have to share with you guys, because every time I come to doing it, it's always a different experience. Removing a door off of a car, and this one is actually pretty easy. I remove this rubber off of this check strap, just should be able to pull it off just like that. I've got a pin here. Now sometimes if I, oh yeah, I can, just pull these little pins out, which frees the check strap from the car. Now I just need to get rid of this, like so. If I undo this 10mm nut up here, there's a 10mm bolt here. And finally, 2 8mm screws in here, which will free the loom from the door to the car. Okay, so 2 7mm screws, not an 8mm, so I can get to this one in here. I should just be able to. Lift it away. Is you can't. I've got some plastic trim clip removal tools, but they're not thin enough to get in here. These are like really tough to get out. not even held, look, it's missing this clip there. Missing all the clips this side. Typical 10. Where the hell is that gone? It's going to be in the most obvious place, it has to be. You hit it? Oh! Oh! Oh mate, where was it?
Behind the bonnet.
Oh, of course it was. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot I put that in there. That's broken. So, I'm missing that here. These are broke. That's broke. That was missing. Clips missing everywhere. Had a cover missing from here. Do you reckon this has been apart before? Right, so we're going to get these plastic trims off. We're going to show you actually how bad the design is on these. Oh my god, trying to get these off has been an absolute nightmare. Right, so we were definitely making a mountain out of a molehill there. Rob is an absolute genius and pulled this side off, which is the driver's side. He just figured out that you pull these down, so it should have been a nice, easy remove. But as you can see, this side, it's all been glued up and bodged, so that's the reason we were just struggling on getting this off. So you shouldn't actually have to undo these studs whatsoever, but they've all been glued in, so there was definitely no pulling that out. So the car is coming apart quite quickly at the minute. I've got Rob giving me a hand as well, and we're now about to make a start on taking the rear quarter panels off. So there was a trim on the inside of the door shut here. We've removed that, which has exposed the fixings. Looks quite easy to take apart. I mean, it's just 8mm under there. There's a couple of fixings in here and a couple of fixings around here. So we're going to get these undone. Hopefully this comes off quite easy, but I'm not sure whether we've got to take the window out yet or not. For a 25-year-old car and having bolt-on panels, I think it's pretty cool. I mean, look how cool this is looking now with this rear quarter panel off. And I can also take the seals off. I thought these were just plastic seal covers, but they're actually metal and they're bolted on as well, so I'm going to get them off next. Okay, so I'd really like to know what these holes are about on the sill, because this is either a structural thing or BMW took it upon themselves to do a bit of weight saving. It's just, there's no other holes anywhere else on the car. And what's a few holes in the sill weight-wise going to do? I mean, I don't know. All I need to do now is to get the tailgate off, but I can't do that until this glass is out, because the wiring for the tailgate is just wedged so tightly between the glass and the tailgate that it goes down through and into the car, which is stopping me from taking the tailgate off. So from start to finish, although we're not quite finished, like I said, I still need to set the tailgate off, I still need to take that aerial out of the roof. But me and Rob have been on this around 6 hours. All I want to do now is to get it outside and to give it a good pressure wash, because the underneath of these panels are absolutely filthy. But for a car that's 25 years old, and I'm guessing the panels have never been off before either, it's a little grubby under here, but it's probably not actually all that bad. And with a good clean, this is going to come up really nice. So the answer to my question at the start of this video is, can you remove every single panel off of a Z3M from what I looked up online? And unfortunately, no you can't, because the pillars and the roof stay in place. I mean, it's pretty cool that the quarter panels unbolt, right? But apart from that, this is no different than stripping apart any other car. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Keep hitting that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.